Welcome to channel. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Ever wondered what tools the pros use to hack? You know, the kind of stuff you see in movies, but in real life. Today we're diving deep into the digital world and uncovering 12 secret apps that can turn you into a pro hacker. We'll break down each app, show you how it works, and what makes it so powerful. From network scanning to password cracking, from reverse engineering to social engineering, we're covering it all. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a security professional, or just curious about the world of hacking, this video is for you. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First up, we have Nmap, your go-to for network scanning. Think of it like an X-ray for your network, revealing all connected devices. Nmap sends special packets to identify devices, operating systems, and open ports. This info is crucial for understanding your network security. That's the power of Nmap. Next up is John the Ripper, the password cracking legend. Ethical hacking is key. We use John to test password strength. It uses dictionary attacks to crack passwords, and brute force, trying every combination. John is open source and evolving. Test your password with John the Ripper. You might be surprised at the results. Ever wondered what your internet traffic looks like under the hood? Enter Wireshark, the network packet analyzer extraordinaire. It's like having a microscope for your network traffic. Wireshark captures packets of data flowing across your network and displays them in a human-readable format. You can see the source and destination of each packet, the protocols used, and even the actual data being transmitted. This is incredibly useful for troubleshooting network issues, analyzing network performance, and even identifying security threats. Imagine being able to see every website you visit, every file you download, every email you send, all broken down into individual packets. That's the level of detail Wireshark provides. It's a powerful tool for anyone who wants to understand how networks work or needs to diagnose network problems. Chapter 4. Aircrack-ng, the Wi-Fi Whisperer. Let's talk Wi-Fi security, or the lack thereof, with Aircrack-ng, the Swiss Army knife of wireless network auditing. This suite of tools allows you to assess the security of your Wi-Fi networks, identify vulnerabilities, and even crack WEP and WPA/PSK keys, ethically of course. Aircrack-ng works by capturing and analyzing wireless network packets, looking for weaknesses in the encryption. It can then use various techniques to crack the password and gain access to the network. Now, before you go war driving, remember, unauthorized access to someone else's Wi-Fi is illegal and unethical. Use Aircrack-ng responsibly to test the security of your own networks. Remember, a strong Wi-Fi password and proper network configuration are crucial for keeping your data safe. Chapter 5. Metasploit, the hacker's playground. Get ready to enter the world of penetration testing with Metasploit, the most popular framework for ethical hacking and security auditing. This is where things get serious. Metasploit is a vast collection of exploits, payloads, and tools that allow you to simulate real-world attacks and identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks. It's like having a virtual hacking lab at your fingertips. With Metasploit, you can exploit known vulnerabilities, gain access to systems, escalate privileges, and even pivot to other machines on the network. It's a powerful tool for security professionals to test their defenses and find weaknesses before the bad guys do. But with great power comes great responsibility. Use Metasploit ethically and legally, and always obtain proper authorization before testing any systems or networks. Chapter 6. IDA Pro, Reverse Engineering Wizardry. Ever wondered what makes software tick? IDA Pro is your key to unlocking the secrets of software with its powerful reverse engineering capabilities. It's like dissecting software to understand its inner workings. IDA Pro allows you to disassemble and decompile software, transforming complex machine code into a more human-readable format. This is essential for analyzing malware, finding vulnerabilities, and understanding how software works at a deeper level. Imagine being able to take apart a piece of software piece by piece and understand how each component interacts with the others. That's the power of IDA Pro. It's a complex tool, but for security researchers and software developers, it's an invaluable asset for understanding the inner workings of software. Chapter 7. Burp Suite, the Web Security Gauntlet. Burp Suite is the go-to tool for testing web application security. It's a security scanner and attack toolkit in one. Acting as a proxy, it lets you intercept and modify web requests, test for vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, essential for developers and security pros to secure web applications. Chapter 8. Drozer, your Android app's bodyguard. Mobile security is more important than ever, and Drozer is your go-to tool for assessing the security of Android applications. It's like a security audit specifically designed for Android. Drozer allows you to assess the security posture of Android apps and devices, identify vulnerabilities, and exploit them to understand the potential impact. It's a powerful tool for developers and security researchers to ensure the security of their Android apps. With Drozer, you can analyze app permissions, identify insecure data storage practices, and even exploit vulnerabilities to gain access to sensitive information. It's an essential tool for anyone serious about Android security. Remember, your phone is a treasure trove of personal information, and Drozer can help you keep it safe from malicious apps and attackers. Chapter 9. Social Engineer Toolkit, the Art of Deception for Good. Dive into social engineering with the Social Engineer Toolkit, SET, a tool for simulating attacks. Knowledge is power, even in manipulation. SET helps create phishing campaigns and other scenarios. It's essential for training and awareness. Create fake websites and phishing emails. Set up rogue access points to capture credentials. Understand and protect against social engineering. Social engineering is often the weakest link. Strengthen that link with SET. Data encryption is crucial in today's digital world, and VeraCrypt is your go-to tool for keeping your data safe from prying eyes. It's like having a digital vault for your most sensitive information. VeraCrypt allows you to create encrypted containers, encrypt entire partitions or drives, and even create hidden operating systems. It's a powerful tool for protecting your data from unauthorized access, both online and offline. With VeraCrypt, you can rest assured that your data is safe, even if your device is lost or stolen. It's an essential tool for anyone who handles sensitive information or wants to add an extra layer of security to their data. Remember, data breaches are becoming increasingly common, and VeraCrypt is a powerful tool for protecting yourself from the fallout. Ever wondered what happens to deleted data? Autopsy is your window into the world of digital forensics, allowing you to recover deleted files, analyze disk images, and investigate digital evidence. It's like having a digital crime scene investigation kit. Autopsy is a powerful open-source platform for forensic analysis, used by law enforcement, security professionals, and even curious individuals to investigate digital artifacts. It can analyze various storage devices, including hard drives, SSDs, and even mobile phones. With Autopsy, you can recover deleted files, analyze file system metadata, and even extract timestamps and user activity logs. It's an invaluable tool for anyone interested in digital forensics or needing to recover lost or deleted data. Remember, even deleted data can leave traces, and Autopsy can help you uncover those traces and piece together the digital puzzle. Privacy is paramount in the digital age, and Tor is your key to navigating the internet anonymously and securely. It's like a cloak of invisibility, masking your online identity and activity. Tor, short for the onion router, bounces your internet traffic through a network of relays, making it extremely difficult to trace your online activity back to you. It's a powerful tool for journalists, activists, and anyone who needs to protect their online privacy and anonymity. With Tor, you can access websites without revealing your IP address, communicate securely with others, and even bypass censorship. It's an essential tool for anyone who values their online privacy and freedom. Remember, your online activity can be tracked and monitored, but Tor can help you reclaim your privacy and browse the web freely and anonymously. And there you have it, 12 secret apps that can make you a pro hacker. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use these tools wisely and always stay ethical. Hacking for good is the only way to go. These tools are incredibly powerful and can be used for both good and bad. It's up to you to use them ethically and responsibly, always respecting the law and the privacy of others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world of tech, security, and all things digital. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.